What is going on, traders? This is your boy Vlad coming with a monthly recap video. I know I'm a little late. It's the 4th already of June, and just wanted to do that recap video. So, for the month of May. So, this is my first losing month since November. As you can see here, had a green month April, had a green month March, had a green month February, green month January, green month December, and November. Lost $425. So that was the last time I had a losing month. So I actually had, how many months is that? It's 6 months winning streak, which I think is pretty dang good. And the great thing about it too, my winning average was up. So you might be wondering, okay, you had a really good winning percentage average. Why did you lose in the month of May? Because as you could even see here, month of March, my winning percentage was only 47%, and I still made money. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over. I don't have anything really significant as far as what I did in the month of March. Oh, and if you're wondering what website this is Kinfo, Kinfo.com, where they actually pull your trades from your brokerage account. And yeah, everything is automatically verified. But yeah, back to the review. Nothing really significant. As you could see, my wins $100, 110, $20, 17, 1K, $19. My loss 85.98. Actually, last month, I actually sized down as far as with my position, so I wasn't taking really big positions like I normally did. And the reason why is I started noticing, like really in the month of March, that some of the strategies that I've been implementing have not been working due to the new market conditions. So there's new traders. So I'm a short bias trader, meaning I want stocks to go up and to automatically just come down. But in this market climate, we're not getting that. We're getting moves like GNUS, which would come from, because GUNX came from like 24 cents all the way up to $11.73 in a matter of a month and a half. Old market condition, this would come up, then it would automatically come down. Now you're not getting that. You're also getting huge volume days, 168 million in volume, 185 million in volume, 409 million in volume. Like, these are just ridiculous numbers. So a part of me sizing down is me trying to really figure out what is my edge now. It's the stuff that got me to this point is not working. So what am I gonna do? You know, the thing is with stock market, you either adapt or you die, meaning your account dies. So I rather adapt. So some of the things that I've been doing personally, I actually joined two different services. I joined Rolling Wolf's chat group for the year membership, and I actually just joined MIC for a month. Both chat rooms I do enjoy because they do have some veteran traders in there, and I still see myself as a newbie. Um, so constantly I'm watching video lessons, asking them questions, trying to pick their brain, just so that way I could become a better trader. So it's always about improvement for me. Um, and also some exciting things too. I did buy a couple of things, so I should be able to do live stream a little bit more. I know I did it one time. I think only one person joined, but that's okay. Um, but I'll be able to do a little bit more live stream. I've been adjusting my process. Like I said, there's nothing really significant with any of the trades that I did. This is me just testing out new things, so I reduced my size drastically. And to answer the question from the beginning, did uh, why did I lose $800 something? Even though I have a high winning percentage, it was because of one trade, and that was actually due to improper setup. Like I saw, company had news, and I actually was trying to buy a different stock, but I end up buying the wrong stock, and I panicked once I saw that stock started tanking. It was after hour, and just like that, after hours, I lost $2,800, and you could see like all my sales because, like I said, I was panicking. This thing, um, yeah. So I just started panicking selling. So I was just like, man, just get me out because I didn't. This stock was already up, and I bought it by accident. No, it's not CIDM. What was it? It's CEMI. CEMI. Yeah, I think it was on. What's it on? This day after hours. And the crazy thing about it too, had I just not panicked out, the next day it actually gapped up. Even though I didn't try to buy it, but it actually gapped up $2 from where my initial buy order was at, which is pretty frustrating because, like I said, after hours I was just slamming it, and it was so illiquid. They announced earnings, like everything went wrong with this stock, and that's why I was just freaking out because I bought the wrong stock. Two, this company they announced earnings, which were bad earnings, and it started having like negative reaction to it. So yeah, so I was like, get me out at any cost, which was a pretty hefty cost. Like I said, I lost 2,800 on that particular trade. So and it was like the beginning of the month too. So it was like, man, I'm already down 2,800, and it's only 3 days in the month. So, and plus I reduced my size because normally, if my normal patterns would work, I could make anywhere between $600 to $1,000 in like one trade. But since those setups are not working, I had to really just go back to the basics, which I think I did a really good job as far as going back to some basics and you know trying long strategies and short strategies and stuff like that. So yeah. So this month, I am trying to go back to my normal size. Um, so far, I still need to fix a couple more kinks, in my strategy, so that way I could have, a regular back to normal month. So far, I'm up with this month just only $100 or something like that. Um, and again, I made some mistakes on some of my losses as well. And again, those are due to improper setups. Like right now, I'm only just using my laptop. So after today's trade, I was like enough's enough. So I decided to buy a couple more setups, a couple more monitors, a desk, so that way I could trade like a professional. So yeah, so nothing like I said, nothing really significant with the month of May for me. Um, And if you still want to track all my trades, feel free to do so. Everything's on Kinfo. I did kind of venture away from Profitly because I had too much troubles with them. So, but yeah. And also, that's another reason too. I know someone else had asked, or they said they noticed that my growth, as far as with my account, hasn't really been progressing that much. It's progressing, but not at this rapid, you know, rapid pace, and that's due to like some of the setups are not working. So now, in the meantime, I'm just trying to find another setup that would cater towards this market, and I think I have found it. Once once I start generating the proof that it is working, I will release it to you guys, let you know what I'm doing. So that's currently in the works right now. And also, if you have not joined, you could definitely join our chat, my little chat room here, Discord. It's Trade with Vlad. Just a few members already in here, but I'm on here constantly. So if you ever have any questions, trade ideas, you could feel free to hit me up. So I'm gonna put the link in the video description. So, oh yeah. So this is Vlad signing off. Let's rock the month of June and make it the best month possible. All right, peace.